Hi everyone, I'm sure that you've heard that April showers bring May flowers. So if you're experiencing some rainy days, I've got a rainy project for you today. I've got these fun boots jumping into a puddle. It's a take on crayon resist painting. So stick with me and I'll show you how I made this. If you've ever done a crayon resist painting, this project is similar to that. It uses techniques that are often used in crayon resist paintings. And to start the project, I've printed out the boot template and I'm just coloring it in with some wax crayons. Now, if you've been using any of my other projects that have templates, I do put my logo in the bottom corner. I have had clients that are still able to read the logo and sometimes maybe feel a little bit upset about it. I usually explain to them that it's just my business name, not to worry about it, and it's easy to cut it off. So for this example, I'm choosing to cut it off. Of course, you can always do that with your loved ones as well. And in most of my projects, the final outcome doesn't have the logo in it either. So now that the boots are colored in with wax crayon, I am going to move on to watercolor paints. I'm just going to use the blue because I'm going to create a blue splash of water around the boots. So I'm going to mix up some water with the blue, and I'm making it quite runny and dabbing the blue paint all underneath the boots. There are little puddles of paint sitting on the paper. It's not so easy to see with the camera, but they are there, and I'm just laying the paint on there. And then I've got a straw that I'm going to use, and I'm going to blow those puddles of paint all over the paper. And as you can see, I do spin the paper around to blow the paint into different directions. And I think the result is a nice effect. This project doesn't take very long, but it is a fun thing to do on a rainy day. So if you get a chance to do this yourself, I hope you enjoy it. This project might bring up some fun memories about jumping in puddles as a child. And you never know, maybe some other memories will come out of that conversation as well. It's always fun to go down memory lane together. There you go, my final boots in a puddle painting. I hope that you enjoyed that and that you get a chance to make your own fun boots on a rainy day, but I'm also wishing some more sunny days in your future. Until the next video, take care. Bye-bye.